Dear students, in this session you are going to see the questions as a part of unit test 8 based on the lesson A Lesson My Father Taught Me by APJ Abdul Kalam. The sessions which we had seen previously on this particular prose piece would help you to answer the questions in this particular unit test. We'll start with the questions. The first section is the questions for which you are going to answer in a word, a phrase or a sentence. First one is, what is the name of Abdul Kalam's father? Second one, on what basis was Abdul Kalam's father elected as the president of the Panchayat board? Third question, what did his father find in the cover of Tambulam? Now, when you're answering these questions, be very precise. Don't describe too much, because in your examination question paper, this kind of questions will carry 1 mark each, which you can find in the beginning of the question paper. We'll move to the next section, that is answering the question in about 1.5 pages. This will be the long answer questions. The question is, summarize a lesson my father taught me. So you need to give the complete picture of this prose piece for this answer. Now moving on to language components, the first section under that is punctuation. So recall the commonly used punctuation marks when you have to answer this. The commonly used punctuation marks are capital letter, full stop, comma, inverted commas, question mark, exclamatory mark, etc. So try to include the punctuation marks correctly in this particular section. Now the first sentence given under this section is, my father was elected the president of Rameshwaram Panchayat board. Second one, he asked me, what is this? Who has given that? Next section is framing questions. Now remember to frame two different kinds of questions, WH question and yes no question. If you have the underlined words in the sentence, then you will have to frame WH question, otherwise it will be yes no question. So the first sentence given here is, the life of a fireman is full of danger. Fireman is underlined. Frame a question so as to get the underlined word as the answer. So here you will have to frame a WH question. Now the second sentence, yes, he is elected the president of Rameshwaram Panchayat board. Convert into yes no question. Third sentence, no, the battleship was not sunk in the combat. Convert into yes no question. Next topic is use of negatives. I hope all of you remember the words which indicate negativity in a sentence. No, never, not. Remember these words. Either you are going to include the words to make the sentence negative, or you are going to remove the words to make the sentence either assertive or affirmative. First sentence given here is, many people attended the ceremony. Convert into negative sentence. Second one, didn't the black cat cross your path? Convert into affirmative sentence. Now when you are framing questions and when you are answering the questions on use of negatives, remember one more thing, that you need to retain the tense in the sentence. Next section is linkers. Linkers choice you will get at the end of the slide, that is after the sentences. Within brackets you have the choice of linkers. Choose the correct linker and place it in the blank given in the sentences. Now to answer this particular section, you need to understand the meanings of the linkers which are given in brackets. Only if you know the meanings, your answers will be correct. Guesswork may not be always correct, So be clear about the meaning of the linkers. First sentence is Abdul Kalam's father dash mother were on namaz. Second one, Abdul's father was dash a good human being dash pious man. Third sentence, his father bet him dash he consoled him with affection. Fourth one, his father bet him dash he had accepted the gift. Now the linkers given in brackets are because, and, not only but also, yet. So choose the right linkers to fill the blanks. Now you can open your textbook and see that there is one more section in language components, that is reading comprehension. So after you answer these questions, you can consider the passage which is given in the text and answer the questions that follow the passage. So which will give you a complete idea of all categories of questions in your final examination. All the best. Thank you very much.